Good morning, everyone. Well, I'm coming to you from inside the greenhouse. I just wanted to show you what a jungle it is in here today, or it has been the past few weeks. I came by to prune up some cucumbers last night because they're getting kind of ruly. But if we come down here, I'm just gonna put the camera around here quickly. Look how tall the cucumbers are getting in here. I've never had them so big in my life, and they're 7 feet tall probably, because I'm about 6'1", and they're like, I'll have to start dropping the strings, but I'm hoping that they start producing pretty quick here so that I can start lowering them. But there definitely is cucumbers on them. These are the pickling cucumbers here. Let's just see if we can find some. There's one here, one over here. There's some bigger ones near the bottom here, but like I said, it's a jungle. There's more in here. It's pretty awesome. Oh, here's another bigger one over here. Sorry, it's hard to see because it's crazy. There's a nice good one in there. I was hoping that they would have been ready to pick by now because they've been slowly producing the past week or two, but slower than expected. Anyways, as well, the tomatoes are going nuts. They're almost as tall as me as well, some of them. Sorry for the sloppy camera work today. I'm doing this on my phone, but the tomatoes are coming on real nice. They're starting to pop a lot of tomatoes, and over here as well. Lots here, and lots over there. I have a few different varieties. I've got Romas, cherry tomatoes. I've got, what else do we have? Tasmanian chocolate, vintage wine, crimson cushion, big beefsteak. What else do we have? I think that's pretty much it. The tomatoes. And eggplants are coming along really nice as well right here. And as you come over here, I got more eggplants on the end of the row here. My peppers are coming on real good. It's only July. It's the earliest I've ever had peppers. We're in the greenhouse here. They're loving the heat. And as we come down the line here, we have more. Some of them are coming on smaller here. These are the Yes to Yellow. They're nice, small, flavorful, sweet pepper. And over here we got banana peppers, hot banana peppers. Thought they were sweet, but I took a bite into one the other day and definitely not sweet. And this guy's loaded here. So I'm gonna have more for the market this week. And this one's got lots on here. Come on this side, look at them all, and over here as well. Okay, well, I don't want to spend too much time in here today. It's super hot. I want to get some more pruning done before the sun gets too high and hits the greenhouse here. But I just wanted to show you a quick update in the greenhouse here and how amazing it's going. And cherry tomatoes, one quick last thing, look at all the flowers on them. They're going to be loaded with cherry tomatoes hopefully in the next few weeks. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed that quick little greenhouse tour. Now well it's doing. Thanks for watching. Give it a thumbs up. Sorry, cat's down here munching on my foot. Crazy cat. So thanks for watching. Give us a thumbs up, share around, and we'll see you out there. Happy gardening.